Good morning, dear students. So in our today's class, let us discuss chapter number 5, comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers already we had learnt in our previous classes. So you had remembered how do we compare greater than, less than, and we use it some symbols to compare the number which is greater number, which is smaller number, and which two numbers are equal. So now in this chapter number 5, let us discuss to compare the numbers of 2-digit number, 3-digit numbers and all. So today we will discuss only for 2-digit number. So we compare the number using 3 methods. So first one is greater than. So what is the symbol of greater than? Remember once. So this is the symbol for greater than. Second one is lesser than. So what is the symbol? So this is the symbol for lesser than. Next one is equal to. If two numbers are equal, then we use this symbol equal to. So let us see some examples. So first one is 18 and 18. So 18 and 18, first number we had to compare with this second number. So what is the symbol we write between those two? Is 18 and 18 greater than or less than or equal? So 18 and 18 is both are equal. So we write equal symbol. Now see second one, 36 and 42. So which is big one, which we have to compare first number. What is the first number? 36. That number we had to compare with the second number. What is the second number? 42. So 36 is big or 42 is big? 36 is what than 42? 36 is less than 42. So which symbol we use there? 36 is lesser than symbol we use in second one. So our third question, what are the numbers given? 28 and 63. So 28, how do we compare? What is the comparison between 28 and 63? 28 is big or 28 is small than 63? 28 is less than 63. So which symbol we use there? Lesser symbol. So 28 is less than 63. So next one, see what is given, 76 and 76. Compare both numbers, 76 and 76. Is it greater or less or equal? Both the numbers are equal to each other. So which symbol we keep there? Equal to symbol. So next question is 48 and 24. Compare the first number with the second number. First number is 48. What is the second number? 24. So when we compare 48 with this 24, 48 is what than 24? Greater or less or equal? 48 is greater than 24. So which symbol we use there? Greater symbol we use in between. What is given? Next one, 67 and 51. So again what we should do here? Comparison we should do. So compare the first number with the second number, as like all sums we did. First number is what? 67, first number, and second number is 51. So now compare 67 and 51. Which is great? 67 is what to 51? 67 is greater or less or equal? 67 is greater than 51. So we use the greater than symbol. So students, note down this one in your notebook and we'll continue next class. So students, next another how we compare which is big, which is small, by using even place values also, ones place and tens place. So here in these two numbers, what are the numbers? 18 and 18, both ones place and tens place, both are same. So we kept equal symbol. See next one, 36 and 42. So here what we should do is the greatest place value we should compare. So what are the place values there? Ones and tens. So here we should compare only the highest place value. Here see what are the place value? Ones is there and tens is there. So in these two numbers 36 and 42, see the tens place digit. In the first number what is the tens place digit? 3 is the tens place digit. And in second number in tens place digit what is there? 4 is there. So compare between 3 and 4. So we know that 3 is less than 4. In this process also we can solve. So see the third question, 28 and 63. How we should compare? We should compare using the highest place value. So in that numbers, what is the highest place value? Tens is highest place value. So in the first number, what is the first number? 28. So highest place value in tens place, what number is there? So in that 28, in highest place value, which number is there? 2 is there. In 63, in the highest place value, tens, which number is there? 6 is there. Now 2 and 6, compare. 2 is what than 6? Big, less or equal? So 2 is less than 6. So we use the less than symbol. So next one, see, 76 and 76. Here also we can observe both ones place and tens place, both are same. So we used equal symbol. Next, 48 and 24. What we should see? We should see the highest place value. So in the number 48, in highest place value, which number is there? 4 is there. In the number 24, in the tens place, which number is there? 2 is there. So compare 4 and 2. 4 is greater than 2. So we used greater than symbol. Next one, see, 67 and 51. We should check the highest place values. So in 67, in the highest place value tens, which number is there? 6 is there. In the number 51, in the highest place value tens, which number is there? 5 is there. So compare this 6 and 5. 6 is greater than 5. So using this process also we should do comparison of numbers. So comparison of numbers you can directly compare, or you can compare using the place values. Which place value will compare? The highest place value. In the 2-digit number, which is the highest place value? Tens digit is the highest place value. So we check only the tens digit to compare the numbers. Students, note down today's homework. Put the correct symbol, greater than, less than and equal to. So see there 6 questions is given. So first one is 16 and 16. Compare between 16 and 16. Either first number, how we should do? First number you should compare with the second number. So compare, if the first number is greater, you will use greater than symbol. If the first number is less than second number, you use less than symbol. And if the first number is equal to second number, then you use equal to symbol. Or another method we discussed. How we discussed? We had discussed to compare between the highest place values, means ones place and tens place. So either that method also you can use and do the comparison and fill in the all the 6 given question. So note down the homework, and we will discuss about that in our next class. Thank you.